Hi, this is John and Amy with TBF Trips, Places, and Fun. Today we are on the Norwegian Breakaway. We're cruising out of New Orleans. We just pulled away from the port, so this is super exciting. And we are here standing at our room. This is a family club balcony suite, and we're on the 13th deck. And we thought you might like to see it in case you are considering getting this type of cabin.
Hey, tell them about what we have done so far.
Wow, we've done a lot so far. After we boarded, we ate 2 lunches.
We did eat 2 lunches because I wasn't hungry, but you know, we're on a cruise.
We ate a sit-down meal at the main dining room, and we also checked out the buffet and ate while we were checking it out. And then we did the ropes course, which was really fun. And this is a great time to do it because if it gets windy out at sea, they have to close it. But while we were here in port, it was a great time to do it. But we're about to check out this cabin. Are we ready? All right, let's go. So again, this is the Family Club Balcony Suite. There are 4 of us sailing on this cruise. And of course, John and I will take the bed. One of our girls will sleep here on this sleeper sofa.
They're gonna be on the sleeper sofa.
And then the other one this will pull down into a bed for the other girl. And so all 4 of us should fit in here nicely. Of course, we have a closet here. Down in here, we've got a refrigerator.
And how does it stock? They stock it for you, but
they do stock it. Now, this is extra charge for the stuff in here, so just beware that stuff is going to be extra. We have a hairdryer here, so you don't need to bring your own hairdryer from home. You've got one right there.
And you don't need to be stuck in the bathroom to dry your hair, so I'm excited about that.
Right. Oh, that's a big bonus. But you've got some storage under here, of course, the television. We have a little balcony, and as you can see, we just pulled away from port, so we're cruising along the Mississippi River, and the girls are enjoying our balcony.
Are you enjoying our balcony?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It's hot?
Yeah, it is a little warm.
It's a little warm, but this is New Orleans, and honestly, this is not hot. Oh, looky there. There's New Orleans right down there.
But this is only April 3rd, and so it's not that bad. It's going to get really hot out there in a few months.
Hey, and for those that don't realize, when you're here in New Orleans, you actually get to hang out on the Mississippi River for several hours before you make it out to open sea.
It's kind of cool. You have a river cruise before your ocean cruise. So you're going to be traveling along the Mississippi River and get to see some sights and sounds of the Mississippi before you actually hit the ocean. Now, one great thing about this suite, or this mini suite, is you have a bigger bathroom with double sinks, which that's great. I think this is the first cruise we've done where we've had 2 sinks. So let's show you that.
And look at this. This is interesting. You have to keep your room card in there. Pull that out.
If you take it out, then
eventually those lights will turn off.
Those lights will
It's
turn
kind of
off.
on a timer.
And then to turn the lights back on, you have to have your room key in there.
Yep.
I guess that keeps you from wasting electricity, right?
That's right.
Okay, so here is our bathroom. Much bigger bathroom than we're used to on a cruise ship. We got the double sinks here.
Which one do you want?
I don't know.
I'm going to take this one.
Okay, we've got storage under here, and then of course our walk-in shower.
And this shower is not bad at all.
Right.
It gives you some room in here.
Now, no bathtub in here, so if you have little ones, you may have to improvise, but a great sized bathroom.
And so what did we upgrade from? We had another cabin, and we decided to do a little mini upgrade.
We did. So we had a interior cabin. It was only 136 square feet, and the prices had dropped. Now, I don't know if this will work for everyone. This just happened to work in our case. The prices had dropped, and so I called Norwegian and said, do you do a price match to the new price? And they said, no, but we can apply the price difference toward an upgrade. And so we upgraded to this Family Club Balcony Suite for a great price. So,
right. Now, I don't know if some of you might be first-time cruisers, or you're trying to figure out what you might want to do. I love interior cabins, and actually Amy enjoyed it too, right? Because it's pitch dark. Whenever you close the door, it's pitch dark, and it's so relaxing, and you just can kind of barely feel the waves depending on where you are on the ship.
I will say, though, that traveling with the 4 of us, I'm very glad we upgraded, because we gained 100 square feet plus a balcony, and for 4 of us, I think we're going to need that extra space.
Yep, I think so too. So which bed are you going to take?
I guess they're swapping every other night because they both wanted this bed.
I want that one too.
It's like a bunk bed, and there's ladders.
There's a ladder and everything. This ship has it all.
So we hope you enjoyed this look at the Family Club Balcony Suite here on your Norwegian Breakaway.
And there is a lot of storage right in here also. Did we tell them about that? It's loaded up with our stuff.
Yes, there's a closet here, and there is storage space under the bed as well. So if you want to put your suitcases under the bed, you can do that.
Yeah. So
yes, so thanks for following along, and hope you get to cruise the Norwegian Breakaway.
Follow us, subscribe, because man, we do all sorts of types of cruising videos in Branson, Missouri, and
all sorts of stuff. So
yeah.
Follow along, and safe travels, everyone.
Safe travels. Say safe travels, everyone. Safe travels. Safe travels.
Oh, by the way, have you guys heard of cruising, the whole cruising ducks thing?
What's up with that?
So I guess it's a big thing to hide and hunt like rubber duckies on cruise ships, and so we are for the first time hiding rubber duckies and actually some little stuffed ducks on this trip, and then we're gonna see if we can find any. We've never done it before, never heard of it actually before.
Where can they go to find out more about this?
So there is a Facebook group called the Original Cruising Ducks Group, and you can go there and find out all about it. And you can see I'm sporting my ducky hat.
Yeah, you are. You are sporting.